Hi everyone, my name is Rose from Salt and Light Retreat, and I'm going to chat to you today about well-being. I see well-being as a core factor for our overall experience of life. So you might wonder, what does the word really mean? Well, when we look into it, there are actually so many varied definitions of the word. But in the dictionary, it's explained as being in a state of comfort, health, or happiness. I see it as encompassing our physical, emotional, and even spiritual health. How we cope with the daily stresses and the big life events, and how we bounce back from those times. There are many factors that affect our well-being. Some of them are aspects of the world that we're born into, and some of them are skills that we can learn or tools we can utilise to help us live happier lives. So whatever our circumstances are, we can all learn stress coping mechanisms to help improve our well-being. And that's what I'll be sharing with you in a short series of videos. We'll look at how nature can help us to heal, how the simple act of breathing with awareness can improve our mindset, and the many benefits of mindfulness. I'll be sharing a little about the science behind the strategies and the practical tools for you to use to improve your well-being. A useful place to begin is to check in with yourself and see where you're at with your well-being at the moment. You might think about how you feel mentally, physically, socially, and emotionally. You could even score each of those areas between 1 and 10 to give yourself a really good picture of where you're at and where you might want to improve your well-being. Rather than thinking about these in a momentary way, you could think about your experience of them more broadly, so perhaps how you've been feeling over the last week or two. Just as our physical health fluctuates throughout time, our well-being can do that too. So it's useful to have a baseline of your normal and your kind of normal range. Wherever you find yourself at, the tips and practices I'll be sharing with you are accessible and applicable to anyone to help bring you to a better place of wellness.